Hello. Hi. I'm over here. Hi. What you doing? Look at you. Look at you with that big old head. Are you lifting your big old head up? Yeah, you're so strong. With your big head. It must be hard to carry around a big head like that. Yeah. Oh, look at you. Oh, where'd you go? I'm still over here. Mm-hmm. Oh, don't smush your nose. You getting tired? Yeah, I'm over here. Do me a favor, turn this way so we can say bye-bye. And then I'll turn you over. Yay! Good job. Okay, bye-bye.